Hi everyone, welcome back to Talk Easy English. I'm Sarah, and as always, I'm so happy to have you here with me. Today's topic is one I think will make everyone smile. We're talking about family, yes, the people who drive us crazy sometimes but make life truly special.
Absolutely, Sarah. Hi, friends. I'm David, and I'm excited to chat with you today about families in English. Family is such an important part of our lives, and learning to talk about it will help you connect with people and share your story.
That's right. And the best part? Talking about family in English doesn't need perfect grammar. It's about sharing real feelings and everyday experiences. So grab your cup of tea or coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in.
Let's start with the basics. Parents. Many people ask, "What do your parents do?" Or, "Who are your parents?" It's a simple way to begin a conversation about family.
Exactly. You can say things like, "My father is a teacher," or "My mother works at a hospital." You can also add details like, "My dad runs a small business," or "My mom stays at home." These small sentences are easy to remember and sound natural.
And don't forget personality. You can say, "My father is patient and calm," or "My mother is caring and strong." That makes your description more personal.
I love sharing personality. For example, my dad talks a lot, really a lot, and my mom loves cooking and giving advice. Little details like these make your English come alive.
Exactly. You could say, "My dad is a bus driver and my mom is a teacher." Simple, natural, and anyone can understand. And don't worry if your sentences aren't perfect. Listeners, the goal is to share your story, not impress with grammar.
Next, let's talk about siblings. Many people have brothers, sisters, or both. A common question is, do you have any brothers or sisters?
You can answer simply, "I have one younger sister," or "I have two older brothers." And if you want, you can describe their personality, like, "My sister is talkative," or "My brother is quiet."
And don't forget, you can describe what they love to do. My sister loves music and drawing, or my brother enjoys playing football. These small sentences add life to your English.
Siblings can be fun and challenging. You can mention funny memories too. When I was a kid, my sister used to borrow my clothes, or my brother always stole my snacks. These make your story relatable and natural.
That's right, and it's okay to share small arguments too. We sometimes argue, but we love each other. Real English is about feelings, not just facts.
Now let's talk about family life at home. Daily routines, dinners, weekend activities. These little things tell a lot about your family.
Yes, for example, you can say, "We eat dinner together every night," or "We watch movies on Sundays," or "We cook together and we talk about our day." Small moments make your English sound warm and natural.
Exactly. Even simple sentences like, "We sit together after school," or "We play games on weekends," show love and connection. Listeners, think about what your family does together. These little details help you speak confidently.
Every family has traditions. For example, my family writes small wishes on New Year's Eve and burns them. It's a fun tradition, and it's easy to describe in English.
Or, "We celebrate birthdays together," or "We go on family trips." You can even share feelings. "I love spending time with my family." Simple, but meaningful.
Families also teach responsibility. You can talk about chores. "I help my family with housework," or "I cook dinner with my mom."
Yes, and you can describe small tasks like, "I clean my room," or "I walk the dog every evening." These phrases show kindness and responsibility.
And don't forget emotional support. I listen to my parents when they are tired, or I cheer up my brother when he feels sad. These sentences show you care.
Exactly. Families are not just about chores. They are about love, care, and small efforts every day.
So what makes a happy family? A happy family is not perfect. It's one that laughs together, forgives easily, and stays united.
You can say, "We laugh a lot together," or "We try to understand each other." Simple phrases, but full of emotion.
And gratitude is important too. I'm thankful for my parents, or I'm proud of my family. These small words make a big difference.
Even small acts of love teach lessons. We help each other, or we share simple moments like cooking and talking. English becomes more natural when you share feelings.
Communication is the key to family happiness. You can say, we talk openly, or we listen to each other. Small conversations like, how was your day, make a big difference.
Spending quality time together is also important. We spend time without distractions, or we focus on each other, are good sentences to know. Being present is more important than using perfect grammar.
Let's learn a few fun family idioms. First, like father, like son, when a child is very similar to their parent. Example: Paul talks just like his dad, like father, like son.
Second, blood is thicker than water. Family relationships are strong. Example: I always help my sister because blood is thicker than water.
Third, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Children often have the same habits as their parents. Her mother is a great singer, and so is she. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
Idioms are fun because they teach culture and real English feelings. They make your speech sound more natural and lively.
Family also teaches life lessons. Responsibility, respect, and resilience are just a few.
Exactly. Helping your parents teaches responsibility. Listening teaches respect. Facing hard times together builds resilience. Resilience means staying strong even when things are difficult.
Families guide us to become better people. You can say, my family teaches me patience, or I've learned kindness from my parents. These sentences help you speak about values in English naturally.
And family support helps us chase dreams. My family encourages me, or they believe in me, are strong phrases. Love gives courage. Courage gives confidence in life and English learning.
Many families have sayings. Don't worry, do your best, or we grow through what we go through. These can be shared in English to show culture and feelings.
Gratitude is also important. I appreciate my family, or I'm thankful for my parents, are easy, meaningful phrases. Small words, big heart.
And sometimes home is not just a place. Home is where the heart is. Love and connection are what make a home.
Talking about family in English is about more than grammar. It's about expressing love, sharing memories, and connecting with people.
Every small story, every small sentence counts. One sentence today, one tomorrow, and step by step, your English grows.
And the emotion behind the words is what makes them perfect. Don't focus on mistakes. Focus on connection.
Thank you for listening today. We hope you feel inspired to talk about your family in English, to share memories, to show love, and to practice every day.
Remember, one English sentence today is one step closer to confidence tomorrow. Give your family a hug, share a smile, and keep speaking English from the heart.
See you next time, friends. Take care and enjoy your family. Bye for now.